The Eylül Tractor and Car Museum is one of the newest visitor attractions in the Edirne district and is located on the approach to the Bozcaada ferry terminal in Geyikli. Officially open to the public on the 22nd of May 2026, the museum was created through a partnership between Intercity, one of Turkey's best automotive companies, the Turkish Ministry of Culture and Tourism, and Geyikli Municipality. The project was made possible after Geyikli Municipality provided the site for the museum, while Intercity financed the restoration, preparation and exhibition of the collection. The museum holds an official museum license issued by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism, allowing the collection to be preserved and displayed as part of Turkey's cultural heritage. The driving force behind the museum is Intercity chairman Ali Vural Ak, a long-time collector of historic vehicles and a passionate advocate for preserving automotive history. Having established automotive museums in Istanbul more than 15 years earlier, he wanted to create a permanent home where historically significant tractors and classic motorcars could be displayed together rather than remain hidden away in private collections. Many of the tractors were rescued as abandoned machines from farms across Turkey before undergoing painstaking restoration over several years. According to Ak, these vehicles represent the hard-working machinery that transformed Turkish agriculture through the 20th century and deserve to be preserved for future generations. Unlike many vehicle museums that focus solely on prestige cars, the Eylül Tractor and Car Museum presents the story of both agriculture and motoring side by side. The collection contains approximately 200 exhibits, including vintage tractors, classic saloon cars, sports cars, and several rare and historically important vehicles. Among the highlights are tractors approaching 100 years of age that have been restored to full working order, alongside classic automobiles dating back to 1927. Visitors can also see examples of modern vehicle technology displayed alongside the oldest exhibits, allowing an interesting comparison between the earliest mechanical designs and today's engineering. One particularly notable exhibit is the historical tractor believed to have belonged to Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, adding further national significance to the collection. Museum officials have also indicated that the exhibits will be rotated periodically, encouraging repeat visits by displaying different vehicles over time. The museum has been designed as more than simply a display of old vehicles. Its aim is to tell the story of how tractors revolutionised farming while motorcars transformed personal transport and everyday life. Informative displays help visitors understand the technological development of engines, mechanical engineering and agricultural machinery across the decades. This combination of agricultural heritage and automotive history makes the museum attractive not only to classic vehicle enthusiasts but also to families, school groups and visitors interested in the industrial development of modern Turkey. The spacious museum building provides generous indoor exhibition halls where visitors can view the collection in comfort throughout the year. Wide walkways allow easy access around the exhibits, while the location beside the Bozcaada ferry route makes it an ideal stop for travellers heading or returning from the island. The museum also includes visitor facilities designed to accommodate a large number of guests, and its prominent position has already made it an important addition to Geyikli's growing tourism offering. Local officials believe the attraction will encourage visitors to spend more time in the area, benefiting nearby restaurants, cafes, accommodation providers and other local businesses. At the time of writing, the museum does not appear to have its own dedicated official website. Information is currently provided through news reports and announcements from Geyikli Municipality, Intercity and the Turkish Ministry of Culture and Tourism.